I've done a video on reasons why a woman's vagina smells. This video, some men will think that it's only women who have smell down there, who have smell in their pubic area. No, it is not only women who have that smell. Men do have smell. There's some men who can stink, and there are reasons behind why this is happening to you as a man. Why are you smelling? Why are you stinking down there? The first reason is going to be poor hygiene, the way you shower. Now, poor hygiene can lead to infection, can lead to skin condition, skin problems. Now, and other things can be another reason can be you are allergic to medications like medication soap and the preservative you're using during sexual activities. When this happens, what happens when you get an infection down there? The infection, if it's not treated, what happens to it? It is going to cause a stench down there. When your hygiene is bad, when you don't know how to bathe well, so people jump into the shower and they are rushing, so you don't take your time to wash the natural way, especially uncircumcised men who still have the foreskin of the penis on that it was not taken out. You leave dirt under your foreskin, the foreskin of the penis. And what happens? When that dirt accumulates, it will cause an infection reaction down there. That is where bacteria is going to go and live and cause an infection. And when that starts happening and it's not treated, you start smelling, you start stinking. Now, some men, they know or they don't know the kind of condoms to use. Ask yourself, you have been using different kind of condoms and you know the one that is not acting right on your body. Stop using it. Stop using cheap condoms. Because another thing is that you go for the cheap ones and the cheap ones leaves you with sudden reaction. Like you might have little balls, pimples on your penis. And when it's not treated right, that's already an infection. A skin condition for some people is a skin condition that might cause them to smell. Number 2 on the list is STIs. What are STIs? Sexually transmitted infections through sexual intercourse. We have chlamydia, we have gonorrhea. Now, what are some of the symptoms of chlamydia? You have white, watery discharge from the penis. Number 2 is a pain while urinating. Number 3 is pain in the testicles. Men, when you start feeling this, know that you have chlamydia. Know that you need treatment for chlamydia. And if chlamydia is not treated, what happens? You start smelling down there because that's an infection. What are the symptoms for syphilis? Oh no, for gonorrhea, not syphilis. What are the symptoms for gonorrhea? You have green, white, yellowish discharge from your penis. Yes, when you start having that green, white discharges from your penis. Number 2, pain or burning sensations when you're urinating. Number 3, inflammation on the foreskin of the penis. Men, you guys know what your foreskin is. So, when you have these symptoms, know that you have an infection. You have gonorrhea. And another one is syphilis. Syphilis, some people will call it pimples on my balls. When you have red pimples on your balls, you have syphilis. And it is itchy. You are having itchy sensation on you only standing, you want to be itchy, you have syphilis. All of these things, my dear men, if you don't treat them and it stays down there, because when you start scratching on it, you start creating wound and the wound get infected by bacteria. What do bacteria do? They live in places that are smelling and they cause the place to keep smelling because the place keep getting worse and worse and worse. So my dear men, if you right now are having these symptoms, rush to a hospital or go to a pharmacy and get your treatment and stop smelling. Number 3 on the list is yeast infection. What are some of the symptoms for yeast infection? Is burning or itching sensation in your penis. Number 2, irritation and redness of the skin. So yeast infection is similar to syphilis. Unusual moisture on your penis. It is supposed to stay dry, but it's sweating. It just keep getting sweaty. You just sit and your penis is sweating. You might have a yeast infection. Now, men, I said yeast infection is similar to syphilis. When you have this kind of symptoms, when you have a yeast infection, and what do? Because if not treated, you are going to smell. These are the things that makes a man's penis smell. My dear men, some of you people know this and you're going through this situation, but some people don't even know what they're having. They just sit there and they feel that it's just normally because it's your body part, it's normal. Or some people are so shy. They are so shy that they're going to go and say that your penis is smelling, or if you go to the doctor, they're going to see you. If you don't treat it, you become a dustbin. You become a trash can. You'll be smelling like a trash bin. So go and treat it to stop that smell down there. Last but not the least, we have urinary tract infections. What are urinary tract infections? It affects that little hole, the tract part where you pee. Now, how do urinary tract infections start? Bacteria get into the urinary tract. Now, you have a smelling penis. Your penis will start smelling pink or cloudy urine. So when you pee, it is going to be pinky. That means there's a little blood that makes your urine pink, and your urine is cloudy. It's cloud. It's like it's dull. Frequent urge to urinate, so you cannot hold in pee. The little moment your bladder want to have pee, that means it's weakening your bladder as a man. It makes your bladder weak. So you only have the urge to go and pee, and you go and pee a little bit, and when you pee, guess what? It's gonna hurt. Now you also have a burning sensation on the penis. So each time you pee, it's gonna hurt. So as a man, if you have started peeing, because it starts small, if you're going to pee and your penis inside is paining you, it's feeling like there's one small fire there, go for it, rush and go for checkup before it's too late. Because most at times, for men, it starts slowly, and you might have these infections and you don't know, it starts slowly, and you go and infect women. Because yours starts slowly, yours is dry. A woman's private part is always moist, and because of that moisture, anything that is introduced in it gets to act very fast. So if you go and you infect a woman with syphilis, gonorrhea, chlamydia, it is going to act fast because her private part is very suitable for bacterial reaction to take place very fast, because there's a lot of moisture. It's very wet. So men, please protect yourself so that you can protect your woman, you can protect your wife. When you start having these sensations, when you start having this feeling, treat it. My dear men, please, it is going to help you save somebody's life, because it is very dangerous when it comes when it's transmitted to women. It causes a lot of harm. Some of your wives are not giving birth because these infections have destroyed their wombs or their uterus, and you are sitting there, you are castigating that woman. You are making her feel bad that you infected her. So I'm calling men. These are some of the things that will make you smell. These are some of the infections that some men don't know, and it is causing you. It might even cause you to be impotent. It might cause a man to be impotent. You don't know. So if you have these symptoms, rush and go for checkup. So my dear men, these are some of the things that is going to make you smell. So subscribe, comment, and share my channel so other people can come and get knowledge. Stay blessed.